Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a power hour. I just have a list of things I want to get done. It's currently 11:04, so let's begin. Alright, so I'm starting with my front door. Going to clean the glass there. I'm using the glass cleaner concentrate from Grove Collaborative, and I'm also using the Norix window rag. Norix? I always say it wrong. I retrieved the runaway baby, and now it's time to dust the little inset in my foyer area. Onto the windows in the back of my kitchen. I'm just going to do the inside for now because I will be doing the outside later when I take the little one out to play. So I'm using the same cleaner concentrate from Grove Collaborative. It's the glass cleaner, also with that Norix rag. It just gives a really nice, clean, streak-free shine, and it's really effortless, and I really like the end results. Now on to the living room. One of the whole reasons we bought this house is because it has a huge basement for a kid's play area. But guess what? They never use it. So all the toys and everything always migrates up here. So it's always like a constant mess. Like I'm constantly tidying up this room. It's a never-ending story. And I'm pretty sure Ella was like, what the heck, man, I was relaxing here. Now on to dusting. We have animals and pets and kids and a lot of wood. So I use the Wood for Good by Method to dust off anything that might have gotten on any of our furniture. Look at that coffee table. I got it at a garage sale for like $20. It's from World Market. I know, total score. So I'm just dusting off the entertainment center as well as our bookshelves and our fireplace mantle with the same spray, and I'll also use that on our little end table. On to my favorite part, vacuuming. I feel like it just makes the house feel instantly so much fresher and cleaner because it just gets off all the dog hair, the dust, the dirt, just smushed up goldfish, you know, who knows. Mom life. So this is my favorite part of my cleaning routine, is to use my vacuum. And in case you're wondering, I have the V6 Absolute 5-tool vacuum from Dyson. It's the most money I've ever spent on a vacuum, but it was worth every penny. Trust me. Next, I'm going in to freshen up the room. This is Tangelo Palm Frond from the brand Caldrea. This is pretty much like a Febreze air freshener product. I just spray that around to make my house smell nice and fresh. I also get this off the Grove Collaborative website. I'll leave a link down below. So my husband and I are about to redo our table, make a little farmhouse table, but until we put it together, I'm just going to move the planks and all the hardware off and then just put our little table back together since we're not doing it anytime soon. So it seems. I'm hoping this weekend maybe. Using the Method Wood for Good, the same thing I used to dust, just to clean off the top of the tabletop there. Now it's time to tackle this hot mess kitchen. There's just things out everywhere, not where they belong, so I'm just going to kind of tidy up everything, get everything moved where that needs to be, and then I'll start on the dishes. We're doing a little time check right now, so I need to hurry up because I'm running out of time. I'm just loading up the dishwasher. As you can see, my camera is moving. There's some mischievous little child here. So I'm just gonna let him play with the camera while I finish doing the dishes. Easy peasy, he's happy, I'm getting dishes done. So here I'm using an oil diffuser. This is the Now Foods brand. I buy mine from Vitacost. It's really affordable and it's my favorite diffuser ever. And I'm using the Now Foods scent blend in Clean the Air. Using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day dish soap. This is in the scent mint. It's just a nice minty fresh scent. It was from the spring collection. I got this off of Grove Collaboratives. I'm also using the Grove Collaboratives little like wood scrub brush to clean these dishes. So I'm just gonna wipe these all down and let them air dry. Next, I'm going to clean out my sink. I'm going to use the same dish soap, but I'm just using a different little scrub brush here. This is like my dedicated sink scrubbing brush, and I'm just going to scrub down, get any traces of grossness off so I have a nice clean sink. Next, to clean off my countertops, I'm using this spray. This is also a Grove Collaborative concentrate. You just buy this little box of concentrates and then you mix it into your bottles with water. They smell really good and they work really well, so I've really been enjoying them. So I'm just using that with a paper towel to clean off my tile countertop, which is totally outdated. One day we'll replace that, but for now we're just going to clean that up, make it shine a little bit better. And I'll be using this same spray and a different set of paper towels just to clean down the counters of the island and where the microwave and my Instapot sit. And the list is done. I did have a few minutes to spare, so I'm just showing you this. I did go ahead and vacuum the kitchen floor with my Dyson vacuum, and I just used the duster attachment, which is really cool for hardwood floors or tiles because it has almost like a felt head there. It's really good at getting everything off the hardwood floor surface. So here's the end time. I did go a little bit over, but I did take like a 10-minute break in between to help the kids. Hey. Eric. Hi.